Hey guys, today I want to make some chicken and sausage rice in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I started off by putting 2 3/4 cups of water in my slow cooker there. 1 cup of brown rice, 2nd cup, so 2 cups of brown rice, 2 3/4 cups of water. I guess you could use chicken broth if you would rather, but I'm just using water. And then this is going to be 1 cup of salsa. This is chunky salsa here, so get that in there. Now I'm going to add 2 cut up chicken breasts and 1 link of Portuguese Linguica sausage, like that. So we'll get those in there. That's all cut up. I just cut the sausage into little pieces. I mixed that up. Now I'm going to season it with some kosher salt. I'm just going to kind of eyeball this. Okay, some kosher salt there. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I'll put a fair amount of that in there. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper just to make it a little hotter, a little spicier. And I'll get this mixed up some more. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. I'll let you guys know how long it takes. This smells good. It's been about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's see how it looks. I think that's good. The chicken looks cooked, and I think the rice is cooked as well. I don't want it to that chicken to dry out. I think it's good, so I'm gonna shut it off right there. I have a bag of shredded cheddar cheese here, so I think I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on the top there and kind of let that melt on there before I take it out of there. So a little of that cheese on the top there. Put the lid back on. I turned the pot off. I'm going to let it sit in the pot and kind of cool off just a little bit before we try it out. Now let's see how it looks. That looks better. I'll put some in a bowl and we'll try it out. Well, this looks good. That cheese was a nice little touch at the end, I think. Let's try a little bit out here. That came out real good. It has good flavor with the linguica and the salsa and the little cayenne pepper. Gives it some heat. Chicken's not bad. It's a little bit dry, but not bad. Not for chicken breast. It actually came out pretty good. Let's let Annie try it out. Give her some chicken with a little cheese on it there. A little bit of rice fell on the floor. Looks like she likes it. Kind of dark. It's raining today. That's good rainy day food. I made a batch of it the other day to try out, and the leftovers I put it in tortillas and made burritos out of it. It makes good burritos as well. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual, the ingredients, the cooking time, all that. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.